Good morning. Today is a continuation of the wake bender, I guess. I'm doing 2 cables in one day here at Xtreme this morning. Check it out. The wind is the wrong direction. I can't lie. I mean, you can see the ripples on the water, but still, the wind is absolutely howling and it's actually not affecting the water that much. So it will still be an awesome shred sesh. I can't wait to get on the water. Yeah. Still good, even though it's really windy and the wrong direction today. But it's pretty rare for that to happen. But so I've been like doing stuff up the lake, so the wind's behind. I've been practicing my air tricks, my left foot roll reefs, and they're so big. Yeah, like this is just epic to practice them on. In my head, I'm trying to go for the switch roll reef, but it's just not happening today. We are going outside in. I'm loving it. And on the chicken! Yeah, good times. This cable feels so high and so tight. Like it's just really fun. So fun for learning new stuff, for getting solid on things. Yeah. Let's do another double hit. Phew. Let's get a little about too Chevy off this part. And let's cruise on in.
I never seen one before. Oh yeah. Hit the kicker! Now!
Yeah.
What even is that?
I like my sleeping.
Yeah.
Mum, just attention!
They're squaring up, what do you mean?
So like, as we're cutting out,
Yeah.
instead of like staying on an angle,
Okay.
as we bring our arm round, we want to bring our full body so we're kind of parallel with the kicker.
No.
That was big!
What a fun ride down at Xtreme today. The weather, like the wind doesn't really affect this place even though it's blowing the wrong direction. Like when you're coming back this way and you want to work on kickers or air tricks, it doesn't affect it at all, so it's amazing. So today I got to grips more with the roll reefs, so I haven't put them onto a 5 tower yet. I've just been working on a full line, full speed here at Xtreme, so I'm getting really confident with them. It's so good. You can just go at your own pace, and yeah, I was trying to get my head around the like switch roll reefs, but I just didn't do it, which is kind of frustrating. But I can't feel like down on myself because I threw the roll reefs like straight. I just one left foot roll and then straight into the left foot roll reefs, which is so new for me. Went straight into it and landed all of them. So, and then had a break and then went back to them. So like, yes, I'm feeling so good on those, and that's kind of what I just worked on today. So really positive, fun ride. So yeah, good times. That's all I got. Like, subscribe, comment. There you go. Okay guys, I'm down at Xtreme Wake. I came down for the sickest ride, but they also have the hidden sauna. I have not seen in here, so I'm gonna go check it out. And it's a sauna, cold water dipping, and just apparently like this little place of paradise. You can come and hang out and chill with your friends, your buddies, like, and just relax. So follow me, let's go check it out. The hidden sauna. Oh my God. What the hell? Look at it, come on, let's see. You've got epic decking, you've got chairs to chill out on. Oh my God, this is amazing. You've got like a drink station. Oh, I love the furniture. Look at the sauna, there's so much to take in. Oh my God. Wow. Oh, I cannot wait to go in here. I love a sauna. It's so beautiful. And then this whole, oh my God, there's so much to take in. Sorry guys. And then down here, this beautiful decking down onto the pontoon. Oh my God, this is stunning. Even down to like the lily pads. You can just dive off the dock. I don't know how deep it is. You might not be able to dive. I don't know, but you know, we'll assess that. But I will fully be giving this a test out. But it just is amazing. So if you're in the area down at Xtreme Wake, there is the hidden sauna, and I feel that you should definitely look it up. So there you go. What is up? The wind is howling. Conditions no bueno. But I am going to test out. I have the new Evolve suit from Mystic, which I haven't worn yet, just because I went straight from a 4mm to like Lunar Shorty and then skins. But now I'm like, right, this is a perfect opportunity to test out the new Evolve from Mystic, which is like their most eco-friendly wetsuit that you can get. So yeah, I'll report back on that, and also whatever brings, you know, with these conditions. So let's go.
Got to that last above the third corner twice now.
Okay, so I've done 2 cables in one day. I did Xtreme this morning, which you've seen, and then I did box end afterwards. So yeah, that hits different, riding to like a straight line cable and then full cable in one day. Like, I worked hard on the straight line, and then yeah, box, it was pretty windy, but it's always just good to get out on the water and get the laps under your belt. Like, it's frustrating sometimes because I landed really big, clean air tricks at Xtreme. It's very sheltered, and then come to box where it was very choppy, and then, you know, butt checking everything. So, but that's how it goes, and it's just all learning process. It's all practice. It's all good. It's all fun. So yeah, it's always just great to get out on the water, to be honest. So yeah, it was really busy at the lakes, and everyone's just having a good time. So I know the wind and the weather's not really playing ball, but next weekend is supposed to be really good, so I'm very stoked for that. Bring it on, bring on the hot weather and the sunshine again, and the shorties, because I'm riding in a full suit. I'm riding in the I had the Evolve one, which is the sort of most eco-friendly suit that Mystic do, and yeah, it's really comfortable, really hot. I was actually a bit too hot in it, but standing around in the wind, that's when you need this full suit on. But yeah, anyway, really fun time. Hope you enjoyed the vlog. Like, subscribe, comment. See you later.